What's up guys, welcome to the forest of Belgium and my favorite castle field. For today's game I chose the location because of its authenticity, as it's only 40 kilometers away from the area where the Battle of the Bulge has taken place 75 years ago. The final last gasp of the German army at full strength during World War II. For today's game we're bringing out my German World War II sniper loadout featuring a real wartime Mauser Kar 98K that's been converted to an airsoft gun. The gun was specially converted in England by Matt Fowler and still bears all the original proof marks, serial numbers and aging scars. But on the inside it has been fitted with SG-24 parts, so it's not only a real cool wartime relic, it's also a really accurate airsoft rifle. The SS were of course the elite soldiers of Nazi Germany, and they were the ones most prominently using snipers in their ranks out of all the branches of the German fighting forces. And 75 years ago, regiments of the SS fought in these very same woods in the heart of Europe. Unfortunately, I also had this beautiful Luger, but due to the cold temperatures it was not working properly, so I used my regular, reliable SSP-1 instead. Also, obviously I'm not a Nazi and this video is for entertainment purposes only. With many snipers present in the enemy team, I've been assigned as a counter sniper, with my job being locating enemy snipers and taking them out to ensure our safe troop movements. Our squad is sent to hold one of the most strategically important buildings in the area. The enemy knows this too, and we're sure they will come in large numbers from all sides to claim it for themselves.
Wie had er mee? Wie had er mee?
Fuck, there's a guy in there.
Hey, ik moet naar vijf doen.
With the enemy already much closer than we thought, they're trying to overtake our defensive position. Our small squad needs to hold out as long as possible to make sure we can reinforce the position before getting overrun.
Bijna!